Hi Henry, how are you?
Hi, Elizabeth. I'm fine, thanks. Today is a special day, right?
Yes, today is my mom's birthday. Her name is Lucía, and I'm organizing a birthday party for her.
That's wonderful. What do you usually do on a normal day?
Well, as part of my daily routine, I usually wake up early, take a shower, have breakfast, and go to work. In the afternoon, I do my homework and help at home.
Nice. And what are you doing now for your mom's birthday?
Today is different. Right now, I'm decorating the house with balloons and flowers, and I'm preparing the food for the party.
Sound great. Are you cooking alone?
No, I'm not cooking alone. My sister is helping me, and my dad is cleaning the house.
What food are you making?
I'm making my mom's favorite cake, and I preparing snacks and juice for the wets.
Great. What do you usually do in the evening?
I usually watch TV and relax with my family, but today we are celebrating my mom's birthday together.
Are you inviting many people?
No, we aren't inviting many people. We're inviting close family and friends.
How this? Your mom feel?
She's very happy right now. She's smiling and enjoy the decoration.
That's lovely. I'm sure Mr. Lucia will love the surprise.
Thank you, Henry. I just want my mom to have a very special birthday.
You are doing a great job. Happy birthday to your mom.
Thank you. See you later.